Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to blur your background in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve, where we can get started with adding our videos that we want to edit. So if you go right here into your folder, you can drag and drop the videos directly into your program, or just go to the file option and click import and add the media that you want to use. After that guys, now we can get started with editing our videos and we can get started with applying the blur effect. So this is how to do that. Basically all we have to do is just go ahead and select the video in our timeline that we want to apply the blur for. So go ahead and select the video right here, and after selecting the video, now we can go into the color option right here at the bottom of the page, click on color, which is going to open up this new page with all the manual options that we have for adding effects for color. And guys, in this menu of options right here, one of the options is going to be called blur, and this is this option right here. So as you can see, we have the blur option that we can go ahead and get started with adding to our video to apply a level of blur that we want to see. But guys, if you want to apply the blur just directly to one part of the video, you do not want to be of the colors to be blurred, what we can do is add the effect, which is in the edit menu right here. Go open up the edit menu and then open up your toolbox and effects over here. So you want to go ahead and open up the effects, and in the search bar of your effects, search for blur. And guys, as you can see here, we have all the options such as a box blur that we can add the directional blur, and so on, all the options that we need. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.